Welcome to Abby's science experiments.
We're making a volcano. We've already made the mold. Okay. Make sure your workspace is flat. You can cover it with aluminum foil, newspaper, or this white paper that we have.
Step 1. Starting at 1.
Cut open the 2 bags of plaster bricks using the scissors and pour it into the mixing bowl.
Pouring into the mixing bowl. Should I read the instructions and you do the work?
Yes.
Okay. That's probably better.
So pour 2 bags in.
Yep. 1 bag.
Most of the time he does this.
What do we do with our trash?
Here, give it to me. I have that trash bag over here.
Awesome sauce.
You have a trash bag. Oops. Thank you.
2 bags.
Oh, jeez, this is going to be a big volcano.
Yes, you're putting 280 milliliters of water in.
Ready?
Yep, go ahead.
We might need a bigger mixing bowl.
Ooh.
Look at all those
Like it
bubbles.
was made for. It's like lava.
Ew. Look at that.
Making plaster.
Which is another word for cement. No, he got.
So you're making the mold right now.
Yeah.
And then you have to let that dry.
Yep.
And then paint it, and then let that dry, and then do the experiment.
All right, you ready? You want me to pour it in or you got it?
I want to do it.
Okay, so the next step is to
Scared.
pour it into the mold, right?
Yeah.
All right, go for it.
Ready?
Yep, pour it all around.
Ew, it's lumpy. It's gonna cover that.
That's good. It's supposed to.
Come on.
You need a spoon?
You do it.
Okay. I will help you here.
Ew.
It's just plaster. Do you know what we use plaster in?
What?
So plaster is used in a lot of things. It's used to put up drywall in a house, which is a wall. It is used
So it's like
in...
cement. Oh, it actually dries kind of fast.
Yeah, it dries really quick.
So that won't take so long.
So one of the next instructions says to shake the mold to get rid of any air bubbles.
Oh my gosh, it's actually leaking.
Yeah, it's gonna leak a little. That happens.
So shake the mold.
Shake, shake, shake. See?
Oh.
Ta-da!
Are we supposed to take this out?
No. Once the plaster hardens, gently remove it. The chamber will stay with the plaster.
And now it's time to paint it.
So, we have
A volcano.
a volcano.
Which needs to be painted.
It does. It's so sad. It's like a snow-covered mountain, and it's just boo.
We're gonna use these.
Okay.
This is how it turned out. It's not dry yet, but there's a little bit of a lava effect, and it kind of looks like Mount St. Helens. I'm grabbing 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Put it in the
And
volcano.
do this to make sure there's no extras. Next, you're gonna put it inside the volcano. Vinegar.
Nope. Red paint
Oh,
first.
sorry, red paint. He's putting in the red paint. Or any kind of vinegar that you have.
Ready? Hold on.
Ready?
Pour and go. Dump it, move away. There's red. There's the lava.
Ew. That's so cool. Oh my gosh.